What is going on right now? It's sunny, and then there's a storm, and then it's hailing. So I put this bucket out here to get some ice. Hey guys, it's a beautiful day here in Edmonton. Today we are going to Slave Lake. I'm in Alberta, if you were wondering, Canada. Slave Lake's around 2.5 hours away. So let's get fueled up and get going here. All the snow's melted in Edmonton. It's looking like summer. Some people have been asking me if I get cold at night, and I do get cold at night, but I don't know, it's okay. I got an electric blanket, which I kind of put over my sleeping bag to keep me warm. And you know, right now in Canada, the weather's around, like at night it's like -3 Celsius, and then the American folks won't like this, but yeah, Celsius. And during the day it's like 10 degrees, so it's really good. In Canada we have 3 false summers, so it gets warm and then suddenly gets cold again, so like you build these like weather trust issues or whatever you want to call it. Look at that cow, dude. Out here cave hunting.
Leave it all behind and go to California. Past signs is the real thing. Try analyzing this feeling.
Oh man, it's getting pretty out there. Took a wrong turn, but damn. I like the look of that. So I'm almost at Slave Lake here. I just saw a little RV spot. Oh man, Slave Lake is huge. I gotta get a drone one of these days. I used to have a drone, but I sold it to buy crypto. Speaking of, today's video has been sponsored by Cosmos. Anyways, I need some tea, man. This morning I finally got my gym membership at Planet Fitness and took a shower. Well, it was actually yesterday, but today's the first day I kind of woke up and had a morning routine where I wake up, you know, get warmed up in the car, go to Planet Fitness. You know, yesterday I made the worst coffee. I thought it was boiling, and it definitely was not. I made instant cold coffee somehow. If you guys have any ideas about where you want me to go and stuff like that, heading out to Idaho first is my first destination in the States, and got a friend I'm meeting there too. That's cool. The internet issue is kind of a thing there because my, you know, obviously Canadian data won't work in America, so I'll have to get Starlink or something similar. So there's that. So that's what I'm scheming on. Sometimes I forget. I gotta let this cool down. It stays hot for so long. And there's just something about sitting somewhere and watching the steam come off my coffee or tea and just sitting down and taking it all in. That I'm really about, you know? It's really wet out here. See, this is why I need a drone. If I had a drone right now, you would see the whole lake. Anyways, I gotta stop thinking about it because I'm gonna end up buying it, so. So the campground is, oh, okay. Okay. So, you know, I'm starting to realize a lot of campgrounds in Canada stay closed throughout the winter until it's like warmer out. That's okay. I'm just going to park right outside. This is like, we're really far away from society. I don't think anyone will drive here all day. So we could even camp out right in front of the campgrounds. But yeah, I'm going to hop in the back and just get some food going, man. I'm hungry. Take my shoes off. That's the campground. We can't get inside. You know, I kind of just realized I can just open this door and cook from here. I guess the reason I haven't done that since I started was because it's cold out and I don't want to be outside. So this is cool, you know. By the way, I can't open the trunk on this baby right here. So that's why the door opening is nice. Damn. I don't know if, I just have a feeling someone's gonna comment it's burnt. To be honest, I kind of like it all kind of crispy like that. This is ideal for me. Ooh, that's smoky. Let's get this off there. If only those sausage packs of like 10 sausages for 10 bucks were this good. So when I'm doing my dishes out here, I gotta use toilet paper. Doesn't have to be toilet paper, but I don't want to carry two types of, you know, cleaning cloths. So I just use toilet paper for anything I need. And I just kind of wipe it down. Just checking out the campground. Tried to go in there, it's locked and there's no one in there. Weirdly, the ice machine's on. Guys, the power bill, come on. Growing up as a child of an immigrant, I definitely did not leave any lights on. Oh my God, the timing. That flag just started blowing in the wind right after I saw the cougar sign. So I turned around like there's a cougar about to jump on me. Anyways, look at this. This is how we throw stuff out in Canada so bears don't eat it. There's fresh tracks here, but there's no car. Maybe it's in this garage or I don't know. But I got this feeling like someone's like watching me or something. It's got a very small little town here next to the beach, which is over there. I'm trying to find a way. Yes. Wow. I hope I'm not on anyone's property right now. Hey man, I'm loving this. Maybe I shouldn't go too far out. I was about to start walking on the ice. Wouldn't see me anymore. Hey man, this is great. Let me take this hood off. Let me just, okay. So, I don't need words in this situation. I think you all know how I feel. It's great. And it's only the start of a great journey. Okay, so that was also Slave Lake, and it's just another part of it. It was in the center of it. I hope if you have any suggestions, you're gonna leave them out in the comments. I'm probably just gonna find a random spot to sleep. It's nothing scenic, nothing to show you. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye.